All right, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, I know it's been a while, but honestly, I was trying to wait to do this video to find more of this contact paper, but to no avail. I've been to every dollar store and I couldn't find more, which is fine. Our laundry room, that's my dog Coco if you hear her in the background. Our laundry room is at the top of our stairs, so this door is always open. I'm always in here every day, so I wanted to make it a nice, pleasant place. I just wanted it to feel so sweet, and of course, for as little money as possible. So when all else fails, guys, use contact paper. So I went to my local Dollar Tree, and they had this beautiful, I call it like a robin's egg blue contact paper, $1 roll. I got 10 rolls. I really needed 15 in order to do at least 3 walls, but I was only able to do the back wall and this wall. The wall behind the door, I wasn't able to do. I couldn't find the contact paper. But again, since my door is always open, this is really what you see. So that's what I used. And I used all thrifted items or things I already had to make this laundry room come together. Again, some people will be like, this is too much. Why would you decorate a laundry room? Well, you spend a lot of time in your laundry room. And again, the way my laundry room is positioned, we go past it every day. It's at the top of our stairs. Our master bedroom is right here, and then the stairs are right here. So again, you go past this room every day and everyone sees it. Sorry if I'm just showing you this side of the ironing board, but okay. It's a small room, so it's kind of hard to video. It's more like it's a little more than like a laundry closet. It's a little more than a laundry closet because you do have room. Now, I do have the old wash and dryer. We haven't switched over to the new, and mostly because it still works. We've had this wash and dryer for about 17 years, and actually this dryer is new, but our wash machine still works. It runs well, and so when our old dryer busted, I just told my husband, just get me a regular one to match the washer. That's what he did, and I covered it with contact paper. Now, the contact paper. I got this roll, which is more of a teal, from Big Lots. And it's $5 a roll at Big Lots. You get more on it. And I just used it to cover the dryer. So if you have an old wash and dryer, you haven't yet spent all the money to go get the new ones, that's a quick little tip. I've done that before, covered my dryer with contact paper. But again, it's not the same. See, you can tell that's a blue and that's a teal. So this is teal and that's blue. This is the Dollar Tree version. But I just really love it. All I did, $10, and it completely changed this whole, the look of this room. There are some, wrinkles in the paper or here or there, but of course, I'd put all this paper up in about 20 minutes. If you're a person who took more time and, had a little more patience, you could get it without any kind of wrinkles in it, but I just slap it up there. And again, this isn't our permanent home. I've said that before, so I don't want to spend a lot of money. Sometimes the pillar stick wallpaper can be kind of pricey. It's like $34 a roll. But if you just go to your local Dollar Tree or even look online, and you can just find some contact paper. So that's what I did. So on to what we used here. All these baskets are Walmart and Target cheap baskets that I've had for years. I went to Dollar Tree, found this really pretty bow, there's ribbons, and I just put bows on my basket just to coordinate them all. I do want to find more of these, but my Walmart's always out of them. So I just want to find 2 more like that, and I think that'd be good. But this is what I have, so I used what I had and just put ribbons on them, and I think it coordinated. And I hate this wire shelf, but I do use it to hang dry our clothes, so I just left it. And as you see, I have a little section over here where we hang dry things. And then just everything looks better when corralled. This is a Goodwill basket, like a $3.99 Goodwill basket. I keep our dryer sheets in there, my laundry detergent, laundry flakes, which if you don't use laundry flakes, I think it's called like Zoti, or it's like a soap bar, but you can buy them flakes too. It's soaked with the laundry stuff. This stuff smells so good. It gets your whites whiter and all your like color clothes brighter. I can't explain it, and it smells so good. So I just have my sewing kit here, so it's easy to grab. Because I'm so short, when we used to stack our tissues and stuff up there, I'll put a shelf here. Now this shelf even is just the extra shelf from my bookcase in my room, where I keep my computer. I have like a computer desk cabinet, and I wasn't using it. And I was like, well, I could just plop it on top. I just literally set it up there. And it's a great place shelf to sit things, to help get organized. And then I just have a few decor things over there. I put a mirror in here because this room doesn't have any windows, so it can be a little dark. And if you can see way up here on the top, I put one of those like light strips up there. One of my cousin, I don't know where he got them from, but he got a whole bunch of these like fluorescent light strip things, and he gave me like, I don't know, he gave me like 8 pair, I don't know. So I have a lot in my garage. So I was like, let me bring it in here just so this room can be bright, because there's no window in here. So it really, because you can see that light up there is yellow. So it really just gives it a bright look, and it's, you know, fluorescent light, so it doesn't pull a lot of, you know, energy or whatever. So I can leave it on, and it just is bright and cheery. And then in the evening time, I turn on that little lamp that I have up there. But I just went around, found little fun ways to carafe my detergent and stuff. You know, like this was a Goodwill find. I just keep my fabric softener and stuff in there. I mean, this is the epitome of using what you have. Now right here, to make this look like a chair rail, I used the top of an old blinds that went that was broken, and I was like, kind of looks like a chair rail. And that way I was able to cut it off right there, nice and neat, until I find more of the contact paper. So this is a mirror that I had, and so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put this mirror up because it's been in my garage, and it feels like a window to me, and then also cozies it up in here. I have this container y'all seen for a long time. This is where I keep, you know, just extra cleaning supplies, but I put a thrifted flower on the top. Look at this cute little Coco dress for my little dog Coco that my cousin brought her, a Gucci dress. Too much, but it fit perfectly in this room. These hooks were thrifted. I got a whole bunch of those hooks. Those were thrifted. So yeah, and then over here, I decided, as you can see, this wall, I didn't have enough to finish this wall. But again, you really can't see it, it's behind the wall. But this little thing was thrifted, but you can get it at Walmart. It's for your ironing board and your urn, just to keep everything neat and out of the way. I like everything to have a place, especially when you're dealing with small spaces. I thrifted this little basket, and that's what I keep my lint in. Just hung a little Coco decor there. And then this is where I keep my things to hang to dry, my husband's shirts and whatnot. But yeah, so this is my laundry room. It's a small laundry room. It's kind of hard to video, so sorry if it was shaky or not the best angles, but all of these things, most things were thrifted, and it just makes me happy. I may add to or take away from, and if I'm able to find more paper, I'll do another video. But yeah, this is just a really cute space. It's cheery. I spent a lot of time in here, and that's how I want it to be cheery. And again, it's at the top of my stairs, and the door is often open. So all these little spaces that you can just make so girly and so cute in your home, why not? And don't spend a lot of money. I think I might have spent $20. The contact paper was $10, and then the ribbon, and then the basket. Everything else is things I already had. Go look around your house and repurpose things. And there's my big dryer. This dryer, nobody has big dryers like this anymore, and it still takes bags. But we've had this dryer for so many years. It's such a good dryer. We were buying dryers like every year. Then one year my husband was like, I'm gonna spend some money and buy a real dryer. I'm sorry, why I keep saying dryer? And buy a real vacuum. So our vacuum we've had for a lot of years. And one year he was like, I'm gonna go spend like some real money on a vacuum. And he did, and we've just been taking care of it. And we live in a small town, and we bought it from like a vacuum vendor, and we take it there every year. If something goes wrong with it, they fix it. And then we take it for an annual cleaning every year, and it's just been holding up. So again, just like my washer and dryer, we're gonna keep it until it doesn't work anymore. Then we'll upgrade. But yeah, this is my little sweet laundry room. Again, there's no natural light, so I have to create all the natural light. So sorry if it's like shadows and dark here and there. I have a little bit of a backlight here trying to help me out to make it seem a little brighter. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little tour. I'll be back soon. Christmas is coming, so I'll be back getting ready to show all of my Christmas decor. I really don't decorate for fall. I'll go right to Christmas. By November 1st, all of my Christmas should be up. Whatever I'm deciding to do this year. So anyway, it's a happy time coming ahead. I'm looking forward to the holiday seasons. We need some holiday cheer, and so I'm really excited about it. But I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe. If you don't see me posting on here, I always post stories, and I'm always on Instagram posting. So hope you all have a blessed day. Thank y'all. Bye.